Hey guys, welcome to the Panda Palace. Come pack with me. I love that popping noise. Isn't that so silly? I love it though. I'm going to South Africa for a wedding and a safari with my boyfriend, and we go on Friday. We're going for 2 weeks. I'm gonna see elephants and giraffes and probably hyenas. Could not be more excited. This is like bucket list moment right now. So that's what we're doing. It's like if I got it, if I packed it, if I'm not bringing it or I need to get it. And then I have everything. So this was last time, so it already has some of the labels on it. I have a completely separate toiletry sack that I just leave as is, and this is like just for traveling. So it's nothing I use when I'm home. I use a label maker for all my vitamins. I have Tums for the tummy. I have Pepsid AC because Asian problems. I have Advil, I have melatonin, I have Aleve. I'm gonna leave out the bathroom stuff. I have probiotics, magnesium, Benadryl. Anyway, so I just keep everything in here. This is amazing for anyone who has issues wearing heels or getting blisters, especially if you're in warmer weather. I mean, I'm not gonna be in warmer weather, but you just rub it on your heels and it like helps slip so you don't actually blister. This like really changed my life for skincare. It's the best. I get really bad dark circles. I'm wearing concealer so you can't tell, and it's good lighting. The way that I try to be when I'm packing is I'm not an overpacker. If anything, I'm an underpacker, but I always try to bring only the basics of what I need, and that's it. Face halo. I don't know what this is. This is some sort of black magic, but all you do is get it wet and you apply it to your face and you can throw it in the wash, like in the washing machine to wash it. But I'm telling you, it's black magic. It takes off everything. I don't know why, but you just rub it on your face and it takes it off. Chemical-free deodorant, again, travel sized, it's vegan. These are my teas, because always have to be cleansed and hydrated. I feel like this is called my Asian just in case list. I need that. Super funny, I was actually traveling with Justine and she was wearing one, and everyone was looking at her. We were on the way to Mexico. And she's like, yeah, everyone's looking at me like I'm sick. And that guy's over there sneezing. She's like, no, I'm protecting myself from you. So, also got these. Oh, and then this. I have to have this on the plane. It is so hydrating. I don't know what they do. I swear this is another black magic product. I really want to embrace being on the safari, but I figure this with a hat, right? Safari. But we'll see if I can actually pull off wearing this, because it might be one of those things where in theory it seems like a good idea and I get there and I'm like functionally wise, like, no. Shona Joy, it's this Australian brand, which is really cute, and I just thought it'd be like a good slip dress for the wedding. Basically, I put the longest tank in the back. I have all my crops, and then I just lay them out. So I go like this when I do mine, and I'll make this for my shirt one. And I'm gonna put my underwear, once I finish my laundry, in the back. Part of the little itty bitty titty committee, this is my bra. So I will bring this and maybe like a bralette. I roll my leggings all in one. When I travel in general, I tend to bring this because it's great to travel with, and they actually have a streaming online app that you can choose what kind of workout you want or what you want to target. Another thing I always have to have is, I swear I'm losing my memory, so I always have to have my planner with me. This is my mom's design. She used to be a seamstress and she designed this for Macy's when I was little, and I've held on to them because I cannot find a better jewelry travel case. Just like that. How amazing is that? Mom, genius. Honestly, Chinese Laundry has such good shoes. I'm super minimalist with my makeup. Like, I always use the same things every day. Their mascara, bomb. Eyebrow gel, bomb. Blush, bomb. Bronzer, bomb. I should be their ambassador because I love Benefit. Bomb.com. Cloud Paint. It's the baby. Ugh, Tetris. Ugh. You guys, my mind is blown right now because I actually didn't know you could hook this on here. South Africa, here we come. Cheers to safari.